Big thanks to Gum Out putting this whole thing together. We're gonna kind of kick off the unveiling by pouring some all-in-one fuel system cleaner from Gum Out into the tank. Good to see you. Here we are at Project Social. This project is complete. Tiger Productions totally hooked us up, getting it done just in time for the unveiling. Here we are, fully restored Austin Keen 2000 series. Thanks to Gum Out, we're going to do so much cool stuff with this car. There's a lot more. What's up, baby?
So you just got a car. Congrats.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. First car, we rebuilt it over the past year, and thanks to Gum Out and Tiger Productions, and everybody came out. Yeah, you better believe it, dude. Yeah,
I'll give this guy
bringing this thing all over the place.
Yeah, awesome, bro. Congrats again.
Thanks, brother.
It looks nice.
Thanks for coming out.
Of course, bro. It looks really nice.
At Austin Keen 2002.
Boom. Follow.